All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Ryan Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Beautiful Monday, gonna be a great week. Hope you had a great weekend. Hey, this last video, remember we showed you all of the repairs. I showed you, how we were gonna do the repairs, why we were gonna do the repairs the way we were gonna do them. We've chosen the color. Today we're doing our fine sanding. For about 2 hours, we're gonna get the stain on it. That'll dry in an hour. We'll do a coat of clear finish. That'll dry in about an hour. We'll do another coat. So we could finish it today. We're probably going to finish it tomorrow. It's a little cold. We don't want to open up the windows. Painters got plastic all over everything. I don't want to mess up their work. But let me take you inside and show you what we got. So sorry about that, guys. Damn it. Anyway, remember the entryway had no wood. It used to have the tile when they built it. Now look at this beautiful thing. Look at that. Look at that. Remember? Watch that. Watch the previous video. Now it's beautiful wood all the way down the hallway. The step wasn't there. We had to build the step out for it. See that? Now, this blends in so beautiful, remember? Because we took the exact same wood, the same everything from, this room, we took this wood and did the repair at the window. Let's look at it. Remember it had the plywood and there's some pet stains here that's not going to come out, but we'll stain it so you won't see them. So we ran that all the way up. And again, it's the original wood flooring, so it has the same aging, so it's all going to blend in. This wood we took from this back bedroom. It's a pain in the butt to do it this way. So when you get the cost, you go, oh my God, but it's the right way to do it. We have to pull out carefully the old wood, save it, take out the nails, clean it, and then reinstall it. A lot of work, but it's worth it. So if I turn this camera off and get busy, we'll have this thing stained in a couple of hours. All right, guys, enjoy hey, any questions, comments? We answer all the questions. Leave them in the comments. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let us know. Another happy home makeover. Thanks, guys.